Ma'am? Hello? Hello, ma'am?
Sir.
Ma'am, to drink,
Yes.
to bath,
To bath. Still.
and
Still.
to wash your clothes.
Yeah, to wash your clothes. Still anything? Can you tell anything still?
No,
Oh, okay. Next, Tanishka. Tanishka. Yeah. Why Earth is called blue planet?
because earth will cover with a full of water.
Earth will cover with full of water. How much percentage?
75.
70. Okay. 70% of Earth is covered with water, filled with water. So that's the reason Earth is called as a blue
Blue.
planet. So next. Next. Supratik Yadav.
Mummy.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Supratik Yadav. You have to answer the question. If we drink dirty water or if we drink unpurified water, what will happen? Supratik Yadav.
we can we get health problems, ma'am.
Yeah, you get health problems, you get diseases. Yes, you get diseases. Now, who will tell what do you mean by cholera? Yesterday I told. Yes, Dhriti Reddy. Come on, tell the answer. What is cholera?
Feel that vomitings continuously and motions.
Yeah, very good. Cholera is like you get vomiting continuously. So if you drink unsafe water, unpurified water, you get vomiting. So that is called cholera. Next, who will tell dysentery?
Mame.
Dysentery.
Dysentery.
Dysentery. Yeah, Hanvika, please tell the answer, ma.
Continuously motions.
Yeah, continuously motions or like loose motions. So that is called as dysentery. What is the way of cleaning water? What is the way of cleaning water? Akshay Lakshmi, give the answer. What is the way of cleaning water? How we have to clean water? Akshaya,
Filter.
Akshaya, your voice is breaking. Please say it properly. Akshaya, how you should clean water? What are the ways of cleaning water?
Yes.
Akshaya,
Liquid water.
something problem with your device.
Solid.
Akshaya, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Solid. Solid.
Yes? Any problem? Shreyas Rao.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyas, why you are not owning your video? Come on your video. Now give the answer. What are the ways of cleaning water? How you will clean water? Shreyas.
We will filter, ma'am.
Yeah, you will filter the water. Very good. Correct. One more process.
Boiling.
Huh?
Boiling.
Boiling. Yes, you will boil the water. So you have to filter the water. Either you have to boil the water. Next, Adya.
Yes, ma'am.
Adya, now you have to answer the question. See how you have to save water. Can you tell any one way of saving water? Adya.
And underground. Underground.
Yeah, underground. How you should save
Underground.
water? Save water. What are the ways of saving water?
Underground too.
That is underground water. Saving. What are the steps you have to take?
Lake.
Come.
Lake, seas. Lake, seas, rivers, bell.
Adya, whatever you said is
Yes, ma'am.
sources of water, Adya. Sources of water. You are telling about sources of water. Lakes, wells, ponds, rivers, oceans. These are all sources of water. Okay, that is correct. But my question is how you have to save water? What are the steps to be followed? You tell any one step or one point. How you should save water? Suppose if your brother opens the tap, what happens?
Water will
Ah,
water will come.
yes. You are
Water
wasting the
will
water, no?
come.
Then what you should do?
Close, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, tell the point. Close the tap after use.
Close the tab after use.
Yes, very good. Now, Shriyan, can you tell a second point, any one point? How you should save
Mummy,
water? Shriyan Chilpuri.
mummy, mummy.
I'll ask. One by one, one by one. Shriyan.
Water
Yeah,
tap.
you have to close the taps. Very good. One more. One more.
Leakage.
Yes, correct, correct. You have to check the leakage. If any leakage is there in the taps, you have to check it. Very good. Thank you. Next, Lohit. Lohit, can you tell one more?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell. How you can save water? So, like Adya said, close the taps. Shayan said, yes, yes.
You have to not waste water.
Do not waste water. Yes, you should not waste water. You have to use how much you require. How much you require, that much only you have to use. Okay? Next, Manvit Raj. Manvit, can you tell the 3 points again? Can you tell the 3 points again? How you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
save water? Come on, tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Close the tabs. Yes, okay. One more. Okay, okay. Prevent leakages from taps and pipes. So these are the different water, like sources of water and safe drinking of water. So now, see children, now, yes children. So till now you have seen like what are the different sources of water. Yes, Kushal Sanjay, can you tell once again what are the different sources of water? Kushal,
Ocean water,
yeah.
drinking water,
Sources, ma, sources. What is the main source of water? Kushal, what is the main source of water? Main source.
mummy, mummy,
Who is that?
mummy.
Wait. Let him tell. Kushal, what is the main source of water? Main source. From where do we get water? Mainly.
Pond,
Mainly.
ma'am.
What is this season? What is this season? Kushal, what is this season?
Summer season.
Yes. So,
Rain. Rain.
yes. Someone said the answer.
Mommy.
Yeah, rain is the main source of water. So we get water from rain. So after the rain falls, the water goes and collect to the all water bodies like oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds. So everything. After that, the rain go and collect in that water bodies. So now coming. Yes, children. Come on, once again, you see this. Water is very important for life. All living things need water to live. There can be no life without water. Water is used for different purposes like cooking, drinking, washing, cleaning. Yes, for factories and industries. Then agriculture for plants and animals. So these are the different uses of water. We use water for different purpose like, yes, cooking, drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing for plants and for animals. And earth is called the blue planet as three-fourths of the earth's surface is covered by water. Next, what are the sources of water? Rain is the main source of water. Then this rain water goes and collects in all the water bodies like oceans and seas, rivers and streams, ponds, lakes, wells, hand pumps and tube wells. So these are the different sources of water. Main source is rain. So this rainwater again goes and collect in all the water bodies. So rain is the main source of water on this earth. It is the pure form of water. This rainwater will go and collect in all the water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, seas. And again we get underground water also because some of the rainwater will go and seeps into the ground. And this is called as underground water. Next, we have to follow safe drinking water measurements. Groundwater and rainwater are impure. So, we have to not drink directly. We should kill the germs and bacteria because that direct drinking water will leads to many diseases like cholera and dysentery. So groundwater for drinking and rainwater, yes, for drinking directly is not useful. We have to clean, we have to filter. We should drink clean water. We can clean the water by using water filters, and you can also kill the germs in the water with the help of boiling. So boiling the water is also one of the best process because boiling water will kill the germs in the water. Boiling water will kill the germs. And after boiling, you have to store the water in a closed containers. Yes, you have to store the water in closed containers. Then you have to take care, like you should not waste water. Water is very precious. We must not waste it. Yes, you have to use the water as much as you require. Do not waste the water. Close the taps after use. Then prevent the leakages from the tap. So now coming to the topic, that is forms of water. So what are the different forms of water? Means how many forms the water exists. So water can exist in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Children, I'll give you one example. If you open your fridge, yes, if you open your fridge and if you see the ice tray, you can find ice cubes in your fridge. So the ice which is present in your fridge or in the ice tray is the solid form of water. It is the solid form of water. Then the water which we are drinking. Tanishka, are you listening? Yes. The water which we are drinking. Yes, it is a liquid form. It is the liquid form of water. And the one more form is gas form, means steam. You may call it as water vapor also. So it is the gaseous form, water vapor. So for this you can do one small activity in your house. Tell your mother to keep some water on the stove in a bowl. Take some water in a bowl and keep it on the stove and boil it. You see vapors coming out. When the water starts boiling, vapors will be coming out. So that is called as gas form of water. You may call it as steam, you may call it as water vapor also, or you may call it as gaseous form. So these are the three forms of water. Here is a small poem. Yes, in your book, water is clearly a mystery to me. A solid, a liquid, a gas. It's all three. Freeze it, warm it, boil it. You will see water is clearly a mystery to me. So tomorrow everyone you have to say this poem to me. Yes? Water is clearly a mystery to me. A solid, a liquid, a gas. It's all three. Freeze it, warm it, boil it. You will see water is clearly a mystery to me. The meaning of this poem is water is clearly a mystery. Mystery means I am not able to understand whether water is a solid form or liquid form or gas form. What are the three forms? Either a substance should be in solid state, or it should be in a liquid state, or it should be in a gaseous state. But water is clearly a mystery. Mystery means which we are not able to understand. Is it a solid, or is it a liquid, or is it a gas? So it is all three. Yes, water is all three. If you freeze it, it becomes solid. If you warm it, it become, yes, it become, if you boil it, you can see the vapor. If you warm it, you can see the liquid form. So like this, freeze it, warm it, boil it. You will see water is clearly a mystery to me. So, water can change its form. So, water exists in three forms. You can see the picture here. Water exists in three forms: solid form, liquid form, and gaseous form. The solid form of the water is called ice. ICE, ice. You call it as ice. And the liquid form is called as water, which we drink daily or which we use in our daily life purpose. Then the gaseous form is called as steam, 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 or you may call it as water vapor. Now I'll show you the picture. Water can change from one form to the other. Water can change from one form to the other. Water changes its form when it is heated or cooled. Suppose if you heat the water, it changes into gas. If you cool the water, it changes into solid. Solid can change into liquid. Liquid can change into gas. Again gas, if you collect, it can again change into liquid. And again that liquid, if you keep in the fridge or if you keep in the refrigerator, again it can change into solid. So these are the three forms of water. Water can change its form from one form to the other. For example, we are human beings, we are in the solid state. We can't change into liquid state. But water is having that capacity. Water can change its form. It can change into solid, it can change into liquid, and it can also change into gaseous form. The water which we are drinking is in the liquid form. The water, yes, the water we drink is in the liquid form. And you know, children, water is tasteless and colorless. You can't taste the water. You can't say either it is like spicy or it is very juicy, or you can't say what taste it is. It is a tasteless substance and colorless substance. Even you can't say water is in which color. Yes, it is a colorless substance. Water exists in tasteless and colorless substance. Next, ice is the solid form of the water. Ice is the solid form of the water, as I said you. So, ice is the solid form of the water. Water vapor or steam is the gaseous form of the water. I said no, you take a bowl, take some water in that and put on the stove. Now water starts boiling. You can see vapors like this. So that is called as steam. Steam. So water vapor or steam is the gaseous form of water. Yes, water vapor is the gaseous form of water. So these are the different forms of water. Yes, and this is the poem. Water is clearly a mystery to me. A solid, a liquid, a gas. It's all three. Freeze it, warm it, boil it. You will see water is clearly a mystery to me. Water is found in three states in nature: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Yes, and water can change its form from one state to the other or one form to the other. It can change to solid, it can change to liquid, and even it can change to gaseous state. Next, the water we drink regularly or the water which we use is tasteless and colorless. The water we drink is tasteless and colorless. Next, ice is the solid form of water. Ice is the solid form. You can see ice cubes here in the ice tray. So, suppose if you pour water in the ice tray and keep in the fridge, so the water changes into cubes. And you can see ice cubes in the polar regions. Water vapor or steam is the gaseous form of water. You can see the steam or water vapor. So this is about the forms of water. So tomorrow I'll explain about water cycle.